Number 5. Sans-serre Sous Vide Machine. A no-frills approach to sous vide, this sans-serre stick model was a successful Kickstarter project that has become incredibly popular. It doesn't have a lot of bells and whistles, but it does exactly what you need it to do. It heats the water to the precise temperature you set and circulates it for even heating. It holds the temperature where you set it until you turn the device off, whether it's an hour or a day later. The digital readout is bright enough to read from a distance, even in a dim light, and the temperature control is easy, just a simple dial. Since there's no timer, you'll need to watch the clock or set a timer to let you know when the cooking is done. Number 4. TriBest Sous Vide Sous Vide Cooker. The all-in-one design and user-friendly digital controls make this easy to set up and operate every time, and the precise temperature controls let you use any sous vide recipe that you want. While some sous vide setups look like they just stepped out of a lab, this looks like a normal countertop kitchen appliance. The clear cooking carafe lets you watch the food as it cooks, and it's removable for easy filling, emptying, and cleaning. Its performance is standout too. Many customers rated the TriBest highly for how it cooked chicken, not dry, and steaks, perfectly medium rare. This has a 1000-watt circulation system that heats the water quickly and keeps it to within a 0.1 degrees of your desired temperature. The removable racks lets you separate small packets of food or take it out to cook larger amounts. Number 3. Breville Chef Steps Joule Sous Vide. The Joule earns our top ranking because it's sleek, it's lightweight, and small enough to fit easily in a kitchen cabinet or a drawer. That's less common than you may think. All of the other immersion circulators we tested were considerably bigger and bulkier. The Joule has a clever magnetic bottom, so it doesn't need to attach to the side of the pot with a bulky clamp like other circulators. The magnetic bottom also means you can use the Joule in a wider variety of pots. Many of the other immersion circulators we tested worked only in larger containers or pots. And if you want to use a really big pot, no worries. The Joule boasts the highest power capacity of any of the sous vide machines at this price point, 1100 watts, while its neck-and-neck competitor, the Anova Precision Cooker, has only 900 watts. Number 2. AccuSlim Sous Vide Immersion Circulator. This Instant Pot model got solid ratings all around and can be trusted for all your basic sous vide needs. It may not be as powerful as some of the others, but it is sleeker and smaller than most, and the control panel was clear and easy to program. The manual has simple instructions and an extremely thorough cooking guide. The circulator maintained the set temperature well to produce perfect chicken, steak, and eggs. To sum it up, the Instant Pot AccuSlim may not be the fastest or the fanciest, but it'll get the job done. The clamp is attached at a set height, so you may not be able to use it on every pot in your kitchen. Number 1. Sous Vide Precision Cooker Pro. The Precision Cooker Pros at Anova made this model that heated our water bath in a record time and maintained the set temperature within 0.1 degrees. Another perk of the Pro is its detachable clamp, which can secure to any depth of pot. The large touchscreen control panel is extremely intuitive, and the device is also Wi-Fi enabled for compatibility with the Anova app. While the manual is thorough with cute little instructional photos, the app also includes presets that can act as your cooking guide and recipe inspiration. Though the timer is extremely quiet and can be hard to hear, it won't stop circulating until you tell it to, so your food should stay safely at the appropriate temperature once the cook time is complete. Now that we showed you the best sous vide cookers out there, let's talk about a few things you should look for before buying one. Time and temperature options. With sous vide cooking, a wider range of times and temperatures gives you more versatility, but it also depends on what you plan to make. If you're using your cooker for steaks and chops, a smaller time and temperature range isn't really going to matter. But if you want to experiment, then a wider range would be better. Remote control. Some sous vide appliances can be controlled from your phone, so you can check the process while you're out of the kitchen. Others are designed for more hands-on operation with no remote functions. Sous vide doesn't need a lot of adjustments or monitoring, so remote operation is more about personal preference and convenience. Tank versus stick. The tank-style sous vide machines offer an all-in-one solution. There's no need for a separate container, and they have a lid that keeps the heat inside, but they're much larger overall. Stick-style sous vide machines can be used in pots of all sizes, plus they allow you to cook large or oddly shaped items that might not fit well in one of the tank models.